So on this example, they're giving us a graph and they're asking us which one of these four is the equation that matches this graph. So let's start off by opening up decimals, and in number 1, let's start typing in exactly the way it is there. F of x equals negative 1 divided by 2, and then x squared, here's a little 2 on top, and then plus 16. Does it look like this one? Well, it's going down. It's like a sad face. But let's look at some numbers that we need to discuss. Look at the number up here. It is touching at 8. And if you click on right here, look at the number right here. It is 16. Just because of that, it is not this one. Let's try the next one. This one, they're deleting the fraction is just negative x squared plus 16. Again, let's just look at this number on top. This number at top is 16. It is not 8. So let's go to the next one, which is negative 1 divided by 2, x squared plus 8. Now let's look at this number. Now it's an 8 and it's an 8 over here. Let's just look at two other numbers, which are the x-intercepts or the zeros. So this one right here is a negative 4. And we're just going to click here. It's a negative 4. And then this one, it is a positive 4. Click there and it is a positive 4. So ladies and gentlemen, we found our answer, and our answer is H. And that's the way that you look at this. And everything's real. You just click on it and it'll give you the number to see if those numbers match.